The whole purpose of what we do here at the auto shop is we will do a low rise, mid rise, and full rise inspection. That means that while it's on the ground, we'll check everything under the hood. While it's up in the air a little bit, we'll check the brakes and the suspension, and we put it up in the air and we check everything underneath the vehicle. So we do 3 different inspections every time that car is here. And we do that to make sure you do not have breakdowns and that your cost is for maintenance, not replacement stuff.
Yeah,
It's a lot less
for sure.
money, really.
It's about keeping you safe and making sure that you find out now if there's a problem coming down the road with your vehicle. So that's...
Make sure you keep your maintenance going.
Oh yeah, because you don't want your engine to overheat and you don't want you to overheat. Kind of different systems, but make sure that both of them are taken care of.